Hi, in front of me is VIVO X51 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu and tap on calendar. Then click on the month above, select the date, and when you're done, click at the bottom right corner on the plus icon and choose event. Over here you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click Done, add location, people and many other things. You can even change color. When you're done, tap at the top right corner to save your event. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click on the three lines and choose delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!